Good morning, traders. It's the 20th of November and welcome to AI Traders Live market analysis using artificial intelligence, and today's analysis will be on the Nasdaq 100. What is the AI trading this week? What trades have the AI identified this week? Here's just the usual disclaimer, and there's my contact details. We'll touch base with that in the end as well. So I've got the Metastock platform open here. I've selected the Fulgent AI Expert, which is the AI engine. You just scroll down here, Fulgent AI. I've got the Explorer tab open, so I'm going to run an exploration. I've then selected the Nasdaq 100 index constituents, and we're going to find the high probability artificial intelligence generated trades. So the AI engine is now running, looking at the Nasdaq 100, looking for major reversals, swing trades, volatility breakout, or a quick move. This might take a few minutes, normally 4 or 5 minutes to run, looking at the AI. So the AI is now, what the AI has done is it's analyzed over in the testing period, generated a few rules that generated high probability trades, and the AI is now scanning all the index constituents to find out which one of these rules have been activated on a particular stock. So this is a daily or a weekly screen you can run. We ran one earlier in the week. There were some trades in that, and then there's some new ideas coming through in the AI. So I'm going to pause it now, and then we'll be back as soon as the scan's done. And we're back. The AI took about 3 minutes and 53 seconds to run through the entire Nasdaq 100 and come up with trade ideas based on these 4 artificial intelligence criteria. So you've got the screen results, in a long and a short. These are our positions that the AI is in a position already. So we're going to sort by in longs. But more importantly, we can see this bar section says, it tells you how many days that the AI is in a trade already. So we're going to sort that from low to high. We want to find out the most recent trades. And we can see Adobe is in a short, Nvidia is in a short, Docusign is in a short. The first long is Ultra Beauty. 8 days into a trade. Just make sure I've got the Expert Advisor loaded, attached on the chart. Scroll down to the Fulgent AI strategy. There we go. And now it should tell us what the indicators are on the chart. There we go. So we can see, yeah, in November we've had a quick move here from the beginning of November. Nice trade there, got you in. And now then there's a secondary volatility trade. So this trade is still, the AI is still long in this trade. So that's worked out very, very well. Autodesk is 10 days into the trade. You can see also had from April, March lows, huge move up. Now the recent ones is quick move, and then another one. So it's still in a long in a trade. Your stop loss there is 240. Okay. Skyworks Solutions. So this Amazon's the other interesting one, where we're in a trade for 11 days now, and that's working out so far. A volatility trade. Your stop loss is 2,963, so the AI is still long in this trade. Now I just like to look at the shorts in here, Adobe, Nvidia, and Docusign, which is interesting. These have been star performers. Here we go. We can see a huge move in Adobe from the March low, huge move, another quick move there, and then a quick move there, and now somehow the AI has reversed its view. It now thinks it's time to short or sell it. So that's the stop loss to the upside, 511. I would be cautious shorting it. I just think it's probably not a time to be buying it. I would be definitely waiting for the next buy signal in Adobe before I act on this, but difficult to short the stock. But nevertheless, the AI says it's time to short it, so we'll see how this position pans out. Nvidia has had a tremendous run up. You can see he had a couple of 1, 2, 3 really good trades on it, huge move up, and now the last quick move, quick in out of a profit there, and now it's actually generated a sell signal or a short signal with a stop loss of 594. So it will be interesting to see if this is going to roll over, and we'll see how accurate the AI is with its shorting. But this is a double bottom base, and there is downside risk if it loses this trend line support here in any case. But we'll see how the AI changes. I would like to buy Nvidia for the long term, or the medium term at least, but we'll see when the next buy signal comes through. And then Docusign is another favorite of mine, which we can see huge swing trade move up. Now it's consolidating, and there's swings trades to the downside, quite choppy trade, so there's quite a lot of volatility in and around this. So there's the AI is currently short, in a short with a stop loss of 240. Okay, so let's go and look at some of the trades where the AI is in for a while. We sort that by bars. Broadcom has been in for 171 days, been a star performer in the portfolio. You can see the huge move, so it's still grinding up. You've got a stop loss there of 342 so far, and that's the trading stops moved up. Will be interesting to see if we can see this move higher. NXP Semiconductor was also a star performer in the last couple of months. You can see volatility breakout, huge move higher, and still in a long position there. ADP, Baidu, Biofarm, Take-Two, all quite long-term, multi-month trade, so to speak. So swing trade, yeah, huge move up. Fortunately, didn't get stopped out on this one, and now it's your stop loss on this trade, yeah, is trailing stop loss, and this is now 166 in ADP. Okay, so these are some of the ones. Apple, interesting. Let's go and take a look at Apple. Okay, so this Apple had a huge move, lovely volatility breakout, huge move, and then this volatile consolidation period. So Apple is in a long swing trade, long stop loss on Apple is 103, 108, so it's still long in the trade. Tesla, fantastic swing trade in there, huge move up. Stop losses now moved up to, if that would just show up, yeah, 426 is the stop loss. And there was a fantastic swing trade in Tesla recently, which generated quite about 20-30% return. Fantastic. So there we go. These are some of the stocks to look out for. All the ones in longs. There's been quite a lot of normal filter rejection, which means the AI did not find a most recent signal on those. Zoom would be interesting to see what is the current situation on Zoom. Quick move to downside, yeah, so that got stopped out. There isn't really a new quick move with a sell, so there's been some nice volatility breakout trades on Zoom, yeah, huge move up, and then that top move, and now top, and the AI has not really generated a fresh new signal on Zoom communications, for example. But that's just how you go through the list of stocks and identify trades, run this daily, weekly to find new trade ideas that the artificial intelligence is identifying. Okay. And for anybody interested in getting your hands on some AI software, if you don't have it already, metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1, a 3-for-1 deal at the moment. Get the Metastock platform, institutional quality platform, and then Fulgent AI deal. Alpha Harvest F, metastock.com/alphaharvest F, and mention promo code Alpha Harvest to get a good deal, introductory deal on the Fulgent AI engine, and then off you go. Fantastic. Welcome to the world of AI trading. So these are the stocks to look out for. In longs, just sort the columns by past to get the most recent ones. There are a few shorts or avoids or sell ones, and there are quite a few winning ones to look at. But so far so good. The AI once again outperforms the market again. Until next time, happy trading using artificial intelligence. Bye for now.